Talk to me.
Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is lachelletrends, and in today's video I am coming to you with another wig review slash install on this unit you see me wearing right here. This unit was sent to me from Hair by Justice. Hair by Justice is a wig brand from Instagram, black owned business, and she was kind enough to send me over this unit. So I will have her and this unit linked in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. On my channel I do hair reviews, installs, I dibble and dabble in makeup, and I as well do fashion videos. So make sure you hit that subscribe button as well. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified of each post. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Okay, y'all, so again, I received this unit from Hair by Justice, and Hair by Justice, again, is a black-owned business. So this is what the hair came in, this little baggie right here. So let's go ahead and open it up. Ooh. So first off, so first off, we have her branding. This is her picture, and then it as well came with some stickers. I believe they're stickers. They look like stickers, but real cute, sis. And then it also came with wig caps, and girl, Justice, you did your thing with these wig caps, because girl, at my beauty supply store they're at least $2 or $3 for these wig caps. So girl, you don't just get the cheap wig caps, you get a good wig cap. And it came with two. And then the hair itself, okay, Justice with the branding, very cute, and it already tells me what type of wig I have, which you guys know I love the smaller things in life. I love when brands do that because I will forget what I got. So it says the texture is body wave, it's meek, and it's 20 inches. And I'll have more specs once we get deeper into the video. But girl, this is the unit, and it is a 13x4, I believe. Yeah, it is a 13x4 unit. The unit so far feels really nice. It already has like some little curls or whatever. Really cute. So let me show you guys the wig cap. So looking at the wig cap, it already looks like it is pre-bleached, so I won't have to do any bleaching at all. It looks really good. And I think you get at least 2 inches of space. You do. So you do have space to part on the sides or whatever, so really good. And it does come with 2 combs, one on either side, as well as a comb in the middle and a comb at the bottom, along with adjustable straps. So far, you guys, it looks really good. The bleached knots look good as well. I think it has a little bit of baby hairs in the front. I don't know if you can see it. Has a little bit of baby hairs, and the unit almost looks like it's been pre-plucked a little bit, but I don't know. I think it's been pre-plucked a little bit. I'm not really sure, but it looks good. So if it wasn't, or you know, it was, it looks good enough to where I'm not going to have to do any type of customization. Maybe once I put it on, I may pluck a little bit, but so far it looks good. It doesn't look like I need to do a lot to it at all. So yeah, y'all, let me show you guys again what it is looking like. The part is looking really good. So far so good, sis. So let's go ahead and put her on. Okay, y'all, so let's get started. Don't mind me, I'm just listening to music, having fun. But anyway, sis, now we're gonna go ahead and put this unit on, get it situated, and yeah. So you already know we're going to be using our Got To Be Glue Free Spray to lay this unit down. I'm just going to spray along the hairline and then blow dry it and seal the spray in. So now I'm taking my Black Radiance contour palette in the shade medium to dark, and I'm just putting that powder all along the hairline to better tint the lace. Now to get the perfect melt, I'll be using that Got To Be Glue Free Spray again, and I'm gonna go do the same steps that I did in the beginning to lay the wig down and just spray along the hairline and blow dry it in. And sis, let me tell you, this literally creates the perfect melt. So now I'm just gonna show you guys what the parting space is looking like, and then afterwards we're gonna go ahead and style it. So this unit came pre-parted and pre-curled, as you guys can see, but the part wasn't in the middle for me, so I'm just gonna straighten out my part and then use my hot comb to just flatten it out and just style it up. So now for the baby hairs, I'm just going to pull out a little bit of baby hairs on the sides and then use my Got To Be Glue Free Spray to swoop them over. So now that we got the baby hair situated, I'm now going to go back in with some more Got To Be Glue Free Spray. This acts as my wax stick, and I'm just going to spray that in the front of my head and use my hot comb again and just trying to get it as sleek as possible. Now I'll be using my Fructis Sleek and Shine Serum, and I'm just going to put some of that in my hand and just distribute that all throughout the hair. I'm not going to curl it or anything because again it came pre-curled and I like the curls, so I'm just using this just to get it a little bit more sleeker and just to separate the curls. Okay, so here is what we are looking like, and honey, we are looking really cute. This unit is very beginner friendly. Like, girl, look at it. So let me go ahead and turn around so you can see the back. So that was the back, sis. Let's go ahead and push it back up to the front. So girl, let me go ahead and jump into these details. So on her website, the website is hairbyjustice.com. It says that this is the Mink Straight Frontal unit that is 20 inches. It says it comes with 3 bundles with transparent frontal. It's virgin mink straight hair. The length is 20-20-20. The lace is transparent and 13x4. The origin is China mink. The color is natural and the size is adjustable. It includes bleach knots, minimal hairline customization, styling combs, elastic band. It ships in 3 to 4 days, and hair can last 3 to 5 years with proper care. So honey, let's go ahead. Well, first let me say that shipping was very quick. I'm not even sure because I didn't really keep track, but I do know it came very quickly, and she was very informative of my order. I don't remember how I was informed, whether it was text message or via email, but I do know that she notified me when placing the order, as well as notified me when the order was shipping with tracking and stuff like that. So she was very informative. We love a good informative vendor, sis. So yeah. So with that being said, the details on this unit, first and foremost, it is a big hair friendly unit. You already know your girl has a big head, and this unit just plopped right on my head. Didn't have to struggle or anything like that, so that's always a plus. The texture of this unit, the texture is just some really soft hair, you guys. You know that fructis serum that I always put in my hair that you see me put in the beginning, or you know, in the middle or whatever of the video. That's how the hair came originally, like the feeling of the hair, just very sleek. You can run your fingers straight through it. Like, girl, the hair is some really nice hair. As well, just very easy to manage, if that makes sense. Like, you can run your fingers through it. No shedding, no tangling at all. The only shedding that I did receive is by the ear tabs, and that's to be expected because I did cut the hair right there. But again, you guys, this hair is very easy to manage, very sleek. It's just like, girl, just really some nice hair. The oh, and I want to say that you do receive all of your 20 inches. It looked pretty decent to me. I didn't measure it or anything like that, but I just kind of eyeballed it, so it does give you the 20-inch feel. As well, I want to say that the density of the hair is 150% density. She didn't really say the grams or anything like that of the bundles, but again, I want to say 150% density because this is on the thinner side, which I love a unit like this because it's quality hair. So anytime I get a quality hair unit and it's 150% density, I just automatically fall in love, just for the simple fact that I'm just a easy, like, girl, just a low maintenance type of person. Like, I just want to throw on a wig and just go, and I feel like this is what this unit gives. And I also love a good 4x4 unit with good quality hair that's 150% density. Not that y'all care to know, but but it's just, I love a unit where it's just, you can just put it on and go, and it's not a lot of maintenance. So the density is perfect, you guys. It I don't know if the curls make it look full, but it's almost like a full unit. Like, I don't feel like I'm cheated out of a bundle or anything like that. I feel like the density is perfect. Or whatever, the 3 bundles is good. And of course, like I just said, it is quality hair, so it's just overall nice hair, you guys. The lace melted good, you guys. It did say it was HD transparent lace. It's not as transparent, but it's still good lace that you would get from another vendor, the same type of lace. So I think it melted good overall. I think it looks nice overall. I did add the powder to the hairline, and you guys, if she wouldn't have said that it wasn't custom, well, it was slightly customized, I would have thought that she plucked the pluck the hair for you, because the hairline is giving, sis. The hairline looks really good. She even curved out like the little sideburns, but of course I had to cut it out because, you know, to manage to put it on my head or whatever. So yeah, but I think it looks really good. Like, I could go in and pluck it some more or whatever, but overall I think it looks really good. Again, I think that this is one of those units where you can just put on and just go. All you need to do is just glue it on. I did go in with some mascara because my knots were slightly over bleached, but that's easy to fix, and I always over bleach my knots, so girl, I mean, it's all good with me. I just went in with the little mascara brush and kind of just touched up the roots, which was a easy fix. So overall, you guys, the unit is very nice, easy to manage. And yeah, sis, I'll have it linked down in the description box below if you want to get your hands on it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.